So this is a giant solar street light, and today I'm gonna open this up so we can see what's inside. So let's get started. So here are the LEDs that comes without a lens to magnify the light. And on this side we have the housing where the batteries and other components are placed. So we're gonna open this shortly and show you what's inside. So after taking the rails out, it's about time we show you what's inside. So this device was given to me by one of my neighbors, and she discovered that it wasn't turning on anymore, and so she handed it over to me to repair it. So let's open this up and show you guys what's inside. So this is a switch that can be used to turn on and off the LEDs manually. So this is a cable that's holding us back. This cable is used to transfer current from the solar to the charging panel. So after unplugging that, we have more freedom to slide out the housing where the battery and the circuits are sitting in. And yeah, whoa. This is amazing. Look at that battery. Look at the size of that thing. And here we have a little cute solar charge controller. So just like the 18650 lithium-ion battery, which can output 2 amps. That's just from a single cell. It can output 2 amps, and the maximum voltage is 4.2 volt. But this very battery right here is a 32700 LiPo 4, which can output 26 amp. I think there are 4 batteries in here. It can output 26 amps, and it has a maximum voltage of 3.2 volts. And that voltage is little compared to the 18650 battery, which has a maximum voltage of 4.2 volts. Now we're going to measure the voltage of the battery to be sure if it's still working. So we have a voltage of 1.6 volts. The thing is, I don't know the cutoff voltage for this particular battery. If you guys know, you can just leave that in the comment section, and that'll be helpful. So let's continue. So at the moment, I'm just going to separate the battery from the charge control so that I can do more tests on the battery and also on the charge control. So that's going to be it for this video. Stay safe and stay creative. Goodbye.